Yo, what up guys? Another video. Today we will be replacing a seat, my passenger seat. Yeah, these seats aren't that great. They're kind of old, kind of crusty. Previous owner put them. I really don't know what they are. He said, actually I don't even remember what he said, but yeah, they're some sort of sport reclining seat. I'm not too sure. One bolster is completely just like broken, and just they're kind of big. Really, they're bulky. They're like fat. I don't know the best way to explain it. The one thing I am gonna miss though is the storage space that we get with these seats. Just look at that. Storage. Man's can put anything in there. But yeah, it's going. Copped a new pair. Well, one seat. The 180SX seats. Clean, really clean. It's just the passenger side, unfortunately. But yeah, the headrest is in the car. But yeah, was able to get it for 80 bucks. I think that was a good deal. Had like a stain or two, but I was able to take it out. But yeah, really good shape. So I'm just gonna remove these bolts real quick. You can barely see them, but yeah, I'm just gonna take them off and then we'll move on from there. All I know is that I have to switch the seat belt, or the lock at least. So other than that, it should pretty much be a straight swap. Hopefully there's no modifications that has to be done to the bracket itself, and you can barely see anything. That's great. So the good thing is that most of the bolts were barely tight. I think they were already loose before when I tried to take them out just to see what it'd be like if it came out. But yeah, seat's completely out. I'm just gonna bring it over to the table, compare them, swap the seat belt lock, I guess. And then yeah, before I compare though, I might just give this a quick, oh okay, you can barely see it. Yeah, I might just give it a quick clean. It's not that dirty, really. Oh. But yep, she's out. Okay, so this and oh, okay. So there's the new seat, and there's the old seat. Obviously, one is just way bigger, and this is considerably heavier. Pretty heavy. I was looking at the rails, or the brackets at least. They look the same. There really shouldn't be a difference. Hopefully, it's just an in and out ting. It's a quick ting. So yeah, I guess swap the seatbelt thing and we'll get onto it. Okay, so there's a headrest. I put the seatbelt lock on, gave it a little bit of room. Oh, and a quick disclaimer, this isn't really a tutorial on how to swap. One, it's a bit self-explanatory, but two, I am not a professional whatsoever. There was a comment on one of the videos on, I think, the side mirror. Honestly, one, I apologize because my camera work sucks. But two, I'm still learning straight up. I'm still learning. It's like a first-hand, like I'm learning firsthand and experiencing it for the first time on how to install, remove, and stuff. So again, I apologize. So my phone died. My camera died, so I switched to my phone. As I was saying, honestly, I apologize to that person who commented. Obviously, I'm gonna try better. I'm doing the work, I guess explaining. But yeah, I'm not a pro whatsoever, professional whatsoever, barely anything. I apologize. But I did on camera was pretty much vacuum, and the seat's pretty much in already. pretty much in on it. And, it wasn't that difficult, just had to like hit on some cardboard and sit on it and but one thing and it's not touching the sides clearly. I mean, look at the space there, and then just look at the space there. Like, what? Okay. Yeah, because I adjusted this. I didn't put it too tight. I can just adjust it. So yeah, I guess now we'll just bolt this down. I'll try my best to bolt it down. Put the headrest in, and clearly, hey, but it worked. I mean, it was meant for the car anyway. Like it came from the same pretty much car, but I was just stuck with that seat, or these seats, pretty much for like a long time. So just seeing a new seat in this car is just whoa. Yeah. Another thing is I actually have like bare room to get through to the back now. Like that seat couldn't, because it was just so thick that it couldn't even fold. Like, that's it. I would have to like squish it forward for me to go forward. And then like, it's stiff. Oh my god. Yeah, barely any room versus that. This does also have a place to put, you know, whatever you want to hide in there. So I'm sitting in it, and like, it's just so much better. Oh my god, compared to that seat. Like, I'm able to fully lock in. There's no wiggle room, or there is wiggle room, sorry. The bolsters aren't as hard or heavy, but to be honest, I prefer these over those. These kind of just were like uncomfortable. The side bolsters, they're not obviously meant for like racing or whatever, but this is, I'm trying to make a street car here, so yeah. Again, I actually have like visible room here. I mean, something's gonna fall in now compared to this, but